Heading into the weekend, we've got a beautiful Friday. Now the question, Saturday and Sunday, will it be just as nice? We don't want to waste this weather on work days. Let's head outside for a live look around town. It is spotless once again. We're on a cloud-free streak since about Tuesday. We have not seen a cloud out there. You can see that deep blue. Upper left is the Morgan's Wonderland camp camera. Beautiful out of 281 and Evans. Here's a shot over Calaveras Lake. Crystal clear skies. Temperature a comfortable 83. This is exactly where we should be on October 21st. South and southwest winds have warmed us up. Dew point staying at 50. So until we get a south to southeast wind, we'll see this number at a comfortable level. All right, wind speeds. This is the story today, too. Gusts are at 25 at New Braunfels, 22 at Seguin, everything coming south and southwest, 21 up at San Marcos. So it really looks like the I-35 corridor getting most of the wind. It will be a breezy evening. So for Friday night plans, make sure you're aware that the winds will be blowing pretty strong at times with gusts near 20 miles per hour on and off through this evening. So let's take a look at the hour by hour. Skies will stay clear tonight. Temperatures will dip into the mid 70s by 9 or 10 p.m., maybe about 70 by 11. So it won't be a cool night, and disregard the 10% chance you see at 2 and 3 a.m. All right, temperatures around the area. We have some lower 80s and even a few 70s out there for Rock Springs, Bernie, 82 at Del Rio, 85 though Seguin, 87s at Pearsall and Cotulla, and that's something we're going to get used to. The weekend will be warming up. Look for mid to upper 80s, maybe a couple of 90s by Sunday. Now, even tomorrow morning, this will still be comfortable as we're going into the upper 50s for the hill country, right around lower 60s in San Antonio. But look at the afternoon highs. Mid to upper 80s, even a couple of 90s to our south, out west in Del Rio, holding to about 84. So noticeably warmer Saturday and Sunday both. But again, lots of sunshine. We might see a few high clouds. Now, the other change this weekend will be the humidity. Dew points are going on the rise. We're at 50 now, but we'll start seeing some 60s tomorrow. You'll feel the humidity. So it's going to be a warmer and humid weekend for sure. All right, let's talk about our next rainmaker. This upper level low. Early forecasts on it were that it was going to cut itself off and probably give us like 2 days of rain. Instead, it will get swept up in the upper level pattern, and there's going to be some decent energy with this. Now, on Sunday afternoon, it's still going to be poised back out to the north and west. We won't see any changes. But watch what happens as this low dips a little bit farther southeast, and by probably Monday afternoon into Monday night, that's when we're going to see the best chance as this dips right on down into Texas. And you see these isobars stacking? This is good upper level energy. So we could feel a few good thunderstorms on Monday night, and maybe upwards of about an inch of rainfall in the gauge. That would be nice. 7-day forecast, 87 to 89 on a warm, breezy, humid weekend. Then temperatures will go down as the rain chances go up, about 50 to 60% Monday night. There might be a lingering shower early Tuesday, but then breezy, clearing, upper 70s. So this is not a cold front. It is a cold front, but it's not coming from the Arctic or from Canada. It's coming from the Pacific. Heading into next week, we might have another chance of rain as early as next Friday. We'll be right back.